Hey guys, Klogger here, and today, more garden videos. Sorry I've not uploaded in a while, but this is what I'm growing. Kitchen scrap. These are some green onions from kitchen scraps. Now this is my strawberries, but and as you see, they are developing. But since they're not strawberries, I call them air berries, because you see they're kind of like levitating. Okay, that's just a bad pun. But update on my garden. This video is only meant to be short. I'm wondering why my burlap looks also raggedy. Here in Arizona, a few days ago we got some bad wind. Knocked down a tree in the yard, but that's not much or anything. But yeah, this burlap was mainly my cold and wind protection. But on the plus side, it does create a kind of like a, what's it called? Oh yeah, graveyardish feel. Here are strawberries. Sorry about the bugs flying around. Sorry about any bugs flying around. Another little garden pot I made. Well, I painted. I was wanting some parsley in it, but since parsley didn't sprout, I just dumped it. Oh, I also had this little birdhouse here. I want to mention it. Yeah, if y'all want to see more of this, I will happily make more. Just wondering what I've been doing the past few days? Gardening. Have a good day. I'm Celebrity Klogger, signing out.